All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are heading to the lake in search of some fall bass. That's right, some fall bass. It's finally fall here in the desert. Kind of hard to tell. It's still 90+ degrees during the day. The nights are a little bit cooler, so we're going to head to the lake, see if we can't find some fish that are starting to feed up for the winter time. So come along with us. Please click that subscribe button. Please give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you can keep track of the videos that come out. And we will see you when we get to the lake. All right, everybody, we made it to the lake. We got the kayaks launched, and the Geek and I are here, and we are going to try and catch some early fall bass using jigs. Now, it's going to be a struggle for me because I do not fish a jig very often. The Geek is quite comfortable fishing a jig. Me, on the other hand, not so much. So it'll be fun for me to work on a new technique, and the Geek enjoys fishing the jig. So let's get to fishing and see if we can't catch some fish.
All right, it's too windy for the 1/4 ounce. I'm getting dragged around too much. I need a heavier, I need to feel it better. Caught a bush. Now I gotta retie. It got frayed. And then, you know, earlier this year I caught a 5.9 on a jig at this lake. So I want to make sure my line's in pretty good shape, because you never know. It might be a 1.5, it might be a 5.9. Just don't know. I got one. Oh, I got one. I got one, guys. Got a fish. Got a fish. Got one on the jig. Got one on the jig. Oh, come here, baby. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, got me one. Got me one on the jig. Got me one on the jig. It ain't a big one, but I got me one on the jig. Oh boy, well, let's lift that up a little. Got me one on the jig, guys. Whew. Not a big one, but I'm telling you guys, I am not very good at jig fishing, and it's a relatively new technique for me. So for me to get anything, I'm super stoked. All right, let's get this guy back. Nice. Down he goes. Woo! All right, guys. Well, the sun's going down on the day. I'm out here battling the wind, trying to find a few more fish. It's just tough. It's just tough. I'm just hoping once the sun goes down that I'm able to fish. I'm gonna try. There's a cove over here. I'll maybe try and get in this cove. Maybe it's a little protected. The water's much clearer down here at Windy Hill than it was at Schoolhouse. It's much clearer. It's pretty dingy down there. So I'm hoping that helps us catch some more fish. So we'll see. I may have just made a bad choice coming out this evening. So a long hike over here. Hopefully it pays off. It's a long paddle. I really think I can catch some fish if I just get some opportunity to make some casts. Got one. Got one. Man, he swam right at me.
Get in here before I lose you too, dadgummit. Well, the two bigger ones have got away. But at least I got one. That little dude. Man, that's too bad. Those two big ones got bigger ones. I wouldn't say big ones. But I got one. Alright. That's too bad, man. The other two I lost were much bigger, but we're gonna keep trying. Hopefully we can connect on some of them bigger ones. Let's get this guy back. That's calming down a little bit. This is good. Let's see if we can't get a few. The geek stayed on the bank, which I'm not sure might be a good idea.
You can't engage with people. I don't think it's effective to engage with people when they're merely being provocateurs.
Fish on.
You get dirty inside. The problem is that we seem to be living in this time where both wrestling with the pig and not wrestling with the pig are equally and ideal.
There we go, got one. Oh, hooked him right in the nose, right in the freaking schnoz there. I hear the schnozberries taste like schnozberries. It's probably two. I'm pretty confident that that's a 2-pounder. Good. Good stuff, guys. Woo.
Let me show you the jig I've been using today. Oh, it's a little crooked. I put a little curly tail trailer on there, and hopefully the fish are gonna love it. Whoa, got one, guys. Got one. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah. Come on, just reeling it, man. Some of them have just been hitting it when I was reeling it. Nice. Oh, yeah, he's good. I stuck him good, right in the top of the mouth. Look at that, not bad. All right, look at that. Let's get a few more as that sun sets, huh? Awesome. Thank you, fish.
Fish on.
Fish on, fish on.
Oh, he came off. No, he didn't. Reel, 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 reel. 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 Whew. Alrighty, there we go. On a jig. It's kind of my go-to now these days. Oh, what a gorgeous fish. Not very big. Maybe a pound, 3/4. Very cool, very cool. Got one. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Nice little guy. Fun. Yeah. Got one. There we go. Got one. Got an audience of cows. A little chunky. Oh, he hit it swimming.
You were swimming it?
I was reeling it in.
Oh. Didn't you hit it right by the boat?
Yeah. You wasp. Got one. There we go, guys. I don't know if you... Oh, soaking my... Dude, I was swimming it. I got it. He was swimming. He hit it while I was swimming it. Redemption for that last one I missed, huh? Very nice. Very cool. Got him. Oh, smaller little guy, but he wanted that swimming jig. This one's different. This is a Trash Master. Oh, this one's kind of a weedless Texas rig type of deal. That little guy thought it was a bluegill. got one. Oh. Woo! Oh, that one's better. Oh, there we go. It's the same little green. I guess it's, I don't know. That one's from my mom too. Thank you, Mom. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for sticking around with us for this one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.